Hello lovelies, welcome back to the channel. It has gotten very chilly once again, but I can be kept warm by the joy that I will feel by unboxing this Witch's Moon box. I don't know, I'm like tired and a little bit loopy right now, and like I was just filming a video before this and there was a fly up here that was like driving me crazy, and it has actually left me so like fuzzy and disoriented with how mad it was making me. I think I slayed the beast, so hopefully we can have a nice calm unboxing time now where I don't lose my mind. So yes, it's time for another Witch's Moon. I'm very happy and excited, and we're just gonna pop it on open. Ooh, okay. So we have our table of contents, which we will read at the end so as not to spoil any surprises. We can learn about everything at the end. It's okay if we don't immediately know what everything is, because that's why it tells you. Because not everyone is getting into this with full knowledge on this subject. It's fun to learn as well, and that's what I'm doing. We also have our little oracle reading. On one side it has a lovely feather, and this is the other side. So it says Osprey or Osprey? Osprey? Your success is now at hand. Allow the abundance to flow to you effortlessly. That is nice, because I was just saying in the video I recorded, I have been very worn out when it comes to work stuff and just feeling very, very messy and like all over the place, and I just haven't been able to get myself into a good streamlined state of working, so I've fallen behind on a lot of stuff, but I am trying really, really hard to fix it and, you know, get myself back onto some form of schedule, so hopefully that is a good omen. Next up we have a lovely piece of artwork. Ooh, Solemn Protector. I'm assuming this is a little clue to something that's going to be in the box by the looks of it. And that is very, very interesting. Okay, oh, yep, right on the top here. Oh my goodness. Are you see, this is a sage doll. Are you supposed to burn this? Because I don't want to, because it's like so well made and nice. I don't know, I'll find out whenever I read the thing, but this is our Solemn Protector. I really like this. I don't know why, something about this is very pleasing to me. Okay, I'm feeling calmer already. We have Bone Set Herb, I think this is called. This does, it smells familiar, but I can't quite place it. It's not mint, is it? No, what is that? Hopefully you'll give another name for it in the description at the end. Ooh, we have some tea, and this is called Witch's Sight. And I can definitely see some chamomile in there, I think. Oh, and there's also definitely some mint in here. Oh, that's very nice. It smells very refreshing. And there is a little cloth bag for that. Next up we have what feels like our crystal in here, and you know what? Just from the feel of it, I am going to say this is a desert rose. I think that's what they're called. Yes, this is definitely what I think, like what I was picturing. It's just whether or not I've got the name right, but I'm like 90% sure I've got the name right. Hopefully you can see that the light is a little bit bright. It's just not dimming down for me. There we go. Interesting. We have our salt. This one is Mabon Sacred Salt. Hopefully that's how you say it. And before anyone says it, yes, I am behind. I am behind on these boxes. I am terribly sorry. I am trying to get caught up. My brain is just very messy right now and I'm not doing super well with work stuff, but I am doing my best to get on top of it. I can't place any of the smells in this whatsoever. We are gonna have to wait until the end for that one, but I do love these salts. I use them a lot in my baths, and I take a lot of baths, so. We have our oil. This is a very green oil, and it says Cast Away, I think. There's definitely some lavender in there. It smells almost like there's basil in there to me, but I could be very, very wrong. I'm definitely getting like a lavender and basil kind of thing. I'll be interested to see if that's right, because I kind of don't think it is, but that's how it's smelling to me. But it's a really, really nice, again, very refreshing smell. I really like it. We have some more herbs. Devil's Nettle. I don't know if it actually is nettle, but I kind of don't want to sniff this. Just in case there's any little hairs or anything. We have our spell candle for the month. This is the Guarded Harvest. It is a lovely sort of like yellow candle this time. Again, the usual beeswax. Love it. We have our incense. I can't place any of the smells in this box. My powers are slipping. Nope, not even the slightest clue, but as always, it's incense. It does smell nice. It's not the strongest incense in the world, but it's nice. And then, oh, finally, oh, this is pretty. What are you? It's all very securely wrapped up. Ooh, how wonderful. It's a wall hanging, and it is five broomsticks making up the shape of a pentacle. That's lovely. Is it a pentacle if it doesn't have a circle around it? I actually don't know. But either way, it's a star of some shape made up of broomsticks, and it is just lovely. That is wonderful. I'll just figure out where to put that. Okay, so I enjoyed that. Feeling a bit more calm, a little less stressed. Oh, and this box is the Witch's Guardian box. So we have the Solemn Protector doll. Yes. Handmade from blue sage, ethically sourced from reputable farm. Adorned with bark, this powerful doll has been fastened together solely to bring you and your loved ones protection from all evil energy and beings, also known as Grandmother Sage, and it's meant to be placed near or at significant thresholds. The Solemn Protector Sage doll Book of Shadows artwork, yes, of course we got that as well. Elemental Besom Pentacle plaque, okay, it's still a pentacle. Place this among your altar, above doorways, or in a sacred area to bring the energy of protection and wisdom to your surroundings. Okay. Hand-rolled the Guarded Harvest spell candle. Yes, we got that. The purpose of this candle is to break through the ego, allowing yourself to let go of unwanted thoughts and emotions that you may have towards those that try to harm you. Well, that's nice. Oh, Castaway Magical Anointing Oil. Yes. Immediate relief from unwanted negative energies. That's nice. Okay. Lavender, clove, myrrh, and cedarwood oils. Also included sage and lavender and a special mixture of fast defense magical oil. It's really weird. I'm wondering where I was getting the basil from. Maybe just the mixture of clove and cedarwood were giving me that kind of smell. I'm not sure. But it is a really lovely smelling oil. Mabon, Sacred Salt. Absolute time of celebration and excitement. We've enchanted this sacred salt with frankincense, chamomile, and myrrh oils, as well as yarrow and passion flower herbs. And a special mixture of Mabon Celebration Magical Oil. Selenite Desert Rose with Carrying Bag, yes. Purification of Sage Incense. Really, God, that didn't smell like sage to me at all. Maybe it's because I'm used to like just a specific brand of white sage incense, I'm not sure. Witch's Sight Ritual Herbal Tea with Muslin Bag, yes. Chamomile and Peppermint created to break through the distraction that's commonly unrested within our thoughts and spirit. God, I need that. Devil's Nettle Herb. Oh, yarrow. Okay. Bone Set Herb. It's not giving another name. Maybe it is just called Bone Set and I've just confused, like it smells like something else to me. Personalized Oracle Reading, yes. And parchment paper, yes. Okay, very, very nice. That was a nice relaxing time. I enjoyed that. It was good to chill after before. I don't know why I got so agitated so quickly, but I was in quite the rage, I will have you know. Oh, so yes, I enjoyed this. I hope you did too. Please do leave me a little comment. Let me know what you thought. Let me know how you've been doing. Also give the video a wee thumbs up because I really appreciate that. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. There's a bunch of other videos that you can check out first to see how you feel. And if you do subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, make sure you hit the bell notification button so that you don't miss any videos. There's a lot of videos that I do that YouTube doesn't push as hard as some other types, so if you feel like I'm only sort of putting out one type of content, or if you just don't see me post very often, you could be missing videos, so do hit the bell and just check in every now and again, because you never know. Sometimes it is just I haven't got a video up in a while, but sometimes it's YouTube and its nonsense, which also leads me to, if you would like to support this channel, because YouTube sure doesn't, a great way to do so is by checking out my Patreon. The link is in the description and it is the best possible way that you can keep me going on YouTube. So thank you so much to everyone who supports me on there. You guys are the best. Okay, I am going to go for a little walk, although I think it's raining, but I really want to go play Pokemon Go, so best get the umbrella, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, lovelies!